Okay, once that's done, click out of here. I'm gonna do a text. Thank you. Let's test this thing out. This needs to be. Let's go connect this to module sheets. Connect it, so we go add, sign in through Google. It's already signed in for me. So we're on the Google Sheets right now. Here. State. Just quickly get. Save this. Here we go. Real estate training. Here's where we. Alright, that's good. So now it's been determined here. And it should be connected. Let's try to see. There we go. See? You want to see this. Okay. If you don't see this, it hasn't connected. Okay. Boom. See, this is just asking like the data that we saved, right, through the variables. Where do we want to put it in the Google Sheets? Budget. Okay. So now let's just go back to here and let's save this. Or actually still open. So you could send this to, you know, potential client or someone you're working with, and it should collect all the data, save it to the Google Sheet, and then if you want to take it one step further, you could have another step where the automation sends it to your email. Property, looking to sell, apartment, Glen, 25 to 1 in the next 4 to 6 months. Okay, my name is Bryce. Oh, I don't want to see that. Nothing to work at first. Let's try this. Let's try savings. Next term additional. $9 a month. Probably will sign up. Let's see this. Okay, let's go. Start. Bye. Bam. Bam. Okay, cool. So this should have worked here. So if I go over to my, boom, there you go. So it successfully has captured the data, saved it, and put it on a Google Sheet for you there. So you have that baby running all day, collecting leads, and then at the end of the day, you can set it up to send you an email, and then you can go through and see, oh, this person wants something right now and there's a budget. You could obviously customize any of the questions and any of the responses and stuff. And this is just like the bare basic, the bare minimum. You can literally implement it to ChatGPT so it can answer custom questions. You can add your URL link to the knowledge base so that if people have any questions, it will scan your whole website and give them an answer based off that, or custom. You had a script or information, a company book or something, you could upload that whole book to the knowledge base and the bot will answer questions based off that. But yeah, I don't know, it's pretty basic, but it's pretty cool, you know? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I know it might have been longer than I expected, so I'm going to try to cut down all the wasted space because I know there was a lot of it. Alright, hope you guys are having a lovely day. Please follow, like, and subscribe. So thanks very much for tuning in, guys, and hope you have a great day. Hope you have a great evening. Hope you have a great week. Let's have a great year. Alright, thanks. Peace.